Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone plan supports tethering and you know the remaining data. This avoids surprise throttling. Once done, open your phone's hotspot settings and create a clear SSID and a strong password so only you can join. Make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi is enabled and set to scan. Connect to the new SSID. You're starting live sharing now, so keep the devices close and note any carrier warnings or limits before heavy use. Once connected, prioritize security by using WPA2 or WPA3 so your traffic stays encrypted. This prevents casual eavesdropping. Next, pick the optimal band. Use 5 GHz for faster transfers and less interference, or 4 GHz when you need better range. Switch bands in your hotspot settings if performance lags. Also limit the number of devices and enable your phone's power saver or reduced transmit power to preserve battery and data. These steps keep the link stable during longer sessions. To finish, verify the connection quality by loading a website or running a quick ping. This confirms usable speed and latency for your tasks. Once done, configure Auto Connect if you want convenience, but make sure you turn off the hotspot when finished to save battery and data. If the link drops, restart the hotspot app and toggle Wi-Fi on your laptop. And here's one key troubleshooting tip. If problems continue, forget the network on your laptop and reconnect after switching the hotspot's band. This often clears IP or interference issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.